How's it going, everyone? Mike here with Merch by Amazon March 12th sales update. Today was a decent day, definitely nothing crazy. As you can see here, 7 sales. This is actually the total number of sales because I've only sold items in the US, and then none of the other marketplaces have sold anything. So far, I've been kind of hovering around 60 to 65 sales per week, which is, not bad, but nothing crazy. And then this brings me to 93 total sales for the month in the US. And then if we look at the total number of sales across all marketplaces, as you can see here, I've just hit over 100. So it's the 12th. I got 100 sales, and I'm definitely not complaining about that because if it continues like this, what that means is that I'm going to be the previous month, and I'm going to be pushing close to January, which is amazing, and then I'm going to be competing with December. So anyway, I look at this, sales are on track to be better than average, which is actually amazing. As you can see here, I'm uploading as I'm recording this. It's honestly like being at a tier 20,000 has completely changed the whole approach to merch and the way I view it, and just honestly just like motivation when it comes to how much time I want to put into merch and how much research and effort and all that kind of stuff. Like it honestly changes everything, because it's a different category now. It's a different ball game. So anyways, I'm close to 19,500 products live. Again, if you've seen any of my previous videos, there's probably about 4,000 there that I'm going to recycle through over the next month or so, maybe even longer, because I've been listing designs on products like pillows and tote bags, which are definitely nowhere near my best sellers or sellers at all. Let's actually see this. This is for this month specifically, and then as you can see here, standard and premium t-shirts and basically pop sockets and iPhones are my main products that I'm going to be listing on, and then anything else I'm just gonna, like I said, recycle. The reason I've been listing on those products is because I had the numbers. But again, as if I have something listed for 2 or 4 weeks, maybe 2 months, and it doesn't sell, I'm just gonna recycle through it. There's no reason for me to keep products up that are not selling because, for example, where are we? Like, for example, if I look at a standard day, I would say maybe a third to even a little more of these that I've sold are actually new products that I've listed in the last couple of weeks. So that's those are the results that I want. And then if something doesn't sell for a while, I'll just get rid of it. So anyways, I'm gonna make this short. That's it. 93 total sales this month in on the US market, and then 102 total sales across the board. As always, thanks for watching, guys.